Hello, my loves. Welcome to breakfast. Here's what I'm having. Having carrots, celery, having some bell pepper. I'm trying some of these chicken apple sausages. I've got my cottage cheese. I do not have mustard because mustard is not one of my favorite things, and I wouldn't put it in my cottage cheese anyway because cottage cheese only deserves black pepper, tons of it. That's it. And with tomato. And then I've got a little bit of a tropical salad over here and an avocado. So let's get into it. Okay, first, I really do want to try the sausage. So let's get into this. You see that? Maybe it does need mustard. Let's try this again. Much better. Now, I love cottage cheese. And you guys know I love cottage cheese. Let's see about the cottage cheese. Apple sausage. Let's go on ahead. Let's have the full experience. Here we go. That's really good. Okay. This is one of my favorite snacks. Yes. I'm gonna find where I cut it at. There we go. Ever since I saw this little man, he was a little Mexican man on TikTok named El Ricardine, I think. He got the avocado game on lock. And I've been having one or two a day ever since I saw him with it. Of course, he just eats his plain. But, here's that. Oh, yeah. So, Pete had a baby, little girl. She's gorgeous. I'll post pictures when I've got the okay from mom. She's still in the hospital. But that makes number 13 for me. Lucky number 13. And her birthday is a day after her mommy's birthday. So, Pete had a baby, little girl. She's gorgeous. I'll post pictures when I've got the okay from mom. She's still in the hospital. But that makes number 13 for me. Lucky number 13. And her birthday is a day after her mommy's birthday. So if you ever want a mainly healthy snack, and I say mainly because, you know, tahini has sodium in it, and so does the everything with the bagel seasoning, but it's delicious. And it's a way to get in a whole bunch of vegetables because it tastes amazing. Lime or lemon juice, tahini, everything with the bagel seasoning on any kind of a vegetable, basically. My favorite is actually the celery and the bell peppers. Oh, my nose is itching. This thing doesn't want to focus today. There we go. Cheers. Come on. Okay. This was actually a lot of food. More than I think I can eat today. Well, right now. I'm going to table this for lunch later, so thank you guys for joining me. I have no clue what I'm making tonight. Oh, yes, I do. Where is it? Fish. There's fish right there. I'm going to make some tilapia beer cruise and some Spanish rice, a little bit of Southwest corn. So, yeah, that's what we're having tonight for dinner. Yep. So, see you guys on the flip side. Peace out.